So, nandito na tayo. And pakita ko siya sa inyo. I will try to vlog today kasi today is the last day ng clinical placement ko. So, sama ko kayo, but I'll try my best, okay? So, ayun na nga guys. So, ano ba ang ginagawa ko dito sa Canada? Bakit ako may clinical placement? And bakit ako nasa hospital? So, I am studying under the PSW program or the Personal Support Worker program dito sa Canada. And part ng program namin is magkakaroon kami ng clinical placement, which is either hospital, long-term, or a retirement home. So, this is my first semester and na-place kami sa one of the hospitals dito sa Windsor. So, I am living in Windsor, Canada, nga pala, and Hotel 2 is here. So, ayun. Maaga pa ako guys. It's only 11:54 and yung duty namin is 12:30 pa. So, actually, ako pa lang yata yung nandito kasi napaaga yung dating ng bus ko. Usually, yung bus ko dumadating siya around 12:10, ganyan. But, for some reason, today maaga dumating yung bus and ayoko namang hintayin yung pasunod kasi baka naman malita ako, diba? So, ayun. So, I will try na mag-vlog today. Kung ano lang yung mapakita ko. Kasi bawal naman i-vlog yung mga pasyente sa loob ng hospital. So, try ko pakita sa inyo yung mga ginagawa namin dito. No, I can't promise that kasi mabawal yun, but I will try my best. So, ano ba yung kaibahan namin sa caregivers? Actually, wala naman masyado. We are both giving care sa mga elderly patients. However, kami kasi is hindi kami nakatira sa bahay nila. It's like unlike sa Philippines na caregiver is tagged as kasambahay or something ganyan. So, we are not that. We help sa paglilinis minsan ng mga gamit nila, ganyan, ng mga personal belongings nila. But, not to extent na, or hindi ko pa na-try na maglinis ng bahay nila. Well, sabi nila, if we are going to work sa mga community, ganyan, sa mga bahay-bahay ng mga pasyente, there are chances na hingin din nila yung assistance namin or yung tulong namin in cleaning their personal space. So, ayun. Ayun lang. Update ko kayo later and see you. Guys, we're having pizza parties. Thank you, Steph.
Love you, Debbie.
We miss you.
We're gonna miss you.
Gonna miss you.
Okay.
Yeah, everyone is like vlogging now. So are we a vlogger now?
Miss you.
Pizza eaters.
Woohoo!
Cashless PSW students.
Cashless.
Okay, let's.
Bye guys, it's our last day.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Kimis, last day at the hospital. Beshi. Beshi, where are you going? Last water in the hospital? Oh my goodness.
Let's go.
Wow, the lighting here is so good. Hi guys! So, pauwi na ako. Tapos na ang aking clinical. Woohoo! So, we're gonna run to the bus stop because our bus is near. Go girl, run! Run fast, girl! I thought you were still taking your pictures. Yeah, so bus stop is here, just right at the front of the hospital. So, okay. Wala pa yung bus ko. It's like 5 stops away. So, I'm gonna wait for that. And, I'm planning to go to Dollarama kasi birthday ni Carlo bukas. So, I'm planning to surprise him. So, let's see. Hindi ko pa tinetext siya na pauwi na ako. Kasi hanapin ako nun. Once mag-text ako, kailangan pauwi na talaga ako. So, di mo na ako magte-text sa kanya. I will only text Sab. Okay. My bus is here, guys. So, okay, my bus is here. Okay, so pauwi na ako, guys. So, kagad na ako. And it's 52 minutes na biyahe going home. So, I'll update you guys later. Hi guys, so naglalakad na ako. Papunta akong Dollarama. Nakabili na ako ng cake. Naglalakad na ako. Papunta akong Dollarama to buy birthday sashes and balloons para pang decor namin. It's just a it's a micro celebration para lang ma-celebrate namin yung birthday ni Papa. So, it's so cold. It's like -5. Yeah, it's cold, but it's not that very cold. I'm just overreacting. Anyways, papasok na akong Dollarama, guys, and I'll update you guys later.